The luxury side of Miami. Inside the South Beach Food and Wine Festival, sunrise over Miami skyline, ocean waves rolling into South Beach, luxury cars cruising Ocean Drive, champagne glasses clinking, celebrity chefs in action. Miami, a city where the sun never takes a day off. Luxury is a lifestyle, and flavor is a form of art. From crystal blue waters to five-star rooftops, from private yachts to world-class cuisine, this is where glamour meets gastronomy. And today, we're stepping into one of the most exclusive culinary events on the planet, the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to KrossTrail, the channel where luxury travel, culture, and unforgettable experiences collide. In this episode, we're taking you behind the velvet rope, inside VIP tastings, celebrity chef kitchens, beachfront wine lounges, and after parties that redefine indulgence. This is the luxury side of Miami. Let's dive in. Part 1: Miami, the global luxury playground. Before we step into the festival, you have to understand the stage it's set on. Miami isn't just a city, it's a statement. A crossroads of Latin passion, American ambition, European elegance, and Caribbean rhythm. Here, luxury isn't hidden behind gates, it's on full display. Brickell skyscrapers, Bal Harbour shops, Art Deco hotels, private yachts in Biscayne Bay. 5. South Beach, especially, is Miami's crown jewel. A stretch of sand lined with historic Art Deco architecture, elite resorts, rooftop lounges, and restaurants run by culinary legends. And once a year, it becomes the epicenter of the food world. That's when the South Beach Food and Wine Festival takes over. Part 2: What is the South Beach Food and Wine Festival? Known globally as *SOBEWFF*, this festival is more than just a food event. It's a 4-day luxury experience where celebrity chefs, Michelin-level cuisine, rare wines, premium spirits, influencers, billionaires, and serious food lovers all collide. More than 100 top chefs, 400 restaurants and brands, 60,000 plus attendees, millions raised for culinary education. But the real magic lives in the VIP world. Private tastings, invite-only dinners, beachfront lounges with champagne flowing like water, and access that money alone can't always buy. Today, we're stepping inside that world. Part 3: Arriving in South Beach. First impressions: the energy out here is unreal. You've got the ocean on one side, palm trees everywhere, designer sunglasses, linen suits, diamonds catching the sunlight, and the smell of gourmet food in the air. This is not your average food festival. This is Culinary Fashion Week. Red carpets, influencers posing, luxury brand booths, champagne bars. Everywhere you turn, there's a brand activation. Dom Perignon, Moet Hennessy, Porsche, Rolex sponsors. Private lounges guarded by velvet ropes and security. And behind those ropes is where things get really interesting. Part 4: VIP access. Behind the velvet rope, this wristband is basically a golden ticket. Welcome to the VIP experience. Inside VIP lounge, white furniture, ocean views, live jazz, bottle service, sommeliers pouring $500 wines like it's iced tea. Here, chefs aren't behind kitchens, they're mingling. You might bump into Gordon Ramsay, Jose Andres Nobu Matsuhisa, Guy Fieri, all casually grabbing drinks. You know you're in a different tax bracket when the water menu has options. In VIP, it's not just about eating. It's about access. Private conversations. Business deals being made over truffle sliders. Investors discovering new chefs. Influencers negotiating brand partnerships. Luxury networking, disguised as a party. Part 5 Celebrity Chef Experience. This festival is basically the Super Bowl for chefs. Every top culinary name wants to shine here. We're talking Wagyu beef flown in from Japan, white truffles from Italy, caviar tastings that cost more than rent, gold leaf desserts. Okay. This is irresponsible. This is a truffle butter lobster risotto topped with caviar. I think my credit score just went up from eating this. What makes this event special is proximity. You're not watching chefs on TV. You're talking to them. They explain flavors, cooking techniques, ingredient sourcing, the pressure of running Michelin kitchens, and how social media changed fine dining forever. It's education, wrapped in luxury. Part 6 The Wine and Spirits World. Now let's talk about the other half of the festival. The wine and the spirits. This isn't your local wine tasting. This is vintage Bordeaux worth thousands per bottle, rare Japanese whiskeys aged for decades, celebrity-owned tequila brands, champagne houses older than most countries. Every pour has a story. Every bottle has history. Some of these wines were aging longer than social media has existed. I just tasted a wine that costs more than my first car. And I swallowed it in 3 seconds. No regrets. In the luxury world, experience is the real currency. And this is priceless. Part 7 Beachfront dining and pop-up restaurants. Only in Miami can you eat 5-star cuisine, barefoot, in the sand, while yachts float in the background. Pop-up restaurants line the beach. Designed by world-class architects. Temporary structures worth millions. Inside, crystal chandeliers, imported marble bars, custom furniture, Michelin-level menus, all built for 4 days. Then, gone. Luxury in its most temporary form. Part 8 The People of Luxury. The festival attracts a special crowd. Tech founders. Crypto millionaires. Fashion designers. Celebrities. Private equity executives. Influencers with millions of followers. But what connects them all is taste. Not just in food, but in lifestyle. You hear 5 languages in one conversation. Deals are discussed between bites. And friendships are formed over champagne. It's global luxury, in flip-flops. Part 9 Nightlife and after parties. When the sun goes down, the real Miami wakes up. And during the festival, the nights are legendary. Private mansion parties. Yacht events. Rooftop tastings under the stars. Celebrity DJ sets. Invitation-only dinners guarded like military bases. Some parties don't even list addresses. You get coordinates an hour before. That's how exclusive it gets. This is where food meets fashion, meets finance, meets nightlife. It's not just an event. It's a temporary universe. Part 10. Is it worth it? The real cost of luxury tickets range from hundreds to tens of thousands. Hotels triple in price. Flights sell out. Reservations disappear months in advance. So, is it worth it? If you love food, yes. If you love luxury, absolutely. If you love experiences that few people on earth will ever touch, without question. But beyond the price tags, this festival represents something deeper. Creativity, craft, human connection, and the idea that food can be art. Outro Miami showed us that luxury isn't just about money. It's about atmosphere, people, energy, and unforgettable moments. The South Beach Food and Wine Festival isn't just a festival. It's a celebration of the good life. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the luxury side of Miami, hit that like button. Subscribe to KrossTrail for more elite travel experiences. And drop a comment below. Would you attend this festival? Or is this lifestyle too wild? Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep crossing trails.